To prevent damage to the bearing, upper mounting plate, and studs, and to prevent compromising the integrity of the stem, be sure to follow these strut mount installation recommendations outlined in this quick strut installation video. Loosen but do not remove one of the upper mounting plate nuts. Remove the remaining upper mounting plate nuts. This process will allow the bottom of the strut to pivot freely out of the spindle area once the lower mounting bolts are removed. Warning: never loosen or remove the center upper rod nut unless the spring tension is contained. Once the bottom of the assembly has been removed, you can go back and remove the remaining upper nut. Caution: make sure you are supporting the weight of the strut as you remove the nut. During installation, insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the strut tower. Loosely install one mounting plate nut. Make sure you have at least 3 to 6 full threads engaged. Do not install the other mounting nuts until the lower mount is in position and secured. This process will allow the Monroe quick strut to pivot freely, reducing the chance of damage to the mount and bearing. It also will prevent you from compromising the integrity of the stem during installation. Once the lower mounting bolts are in place and secure, install the remaining upper mounting nuts. Do not fully tighten or torque the upper mounting nuts until the full weight of the vehicle is on the tires. Waiting until the weight of the vehicle is on the tires to tighten the upper mounting nuts helps prevent damage to the upper mounting plate's studs. Caution: make sure you do not over-tighten the upper mounting plate nuts. Always torque to manufacturer's specifications. Following these simple tips will reduce unnecessary comebacks and ensure customer satisfaction for every Monroe quick strut assembly installation.